Hi first graders, it's Mrs. Gady back with you in Number Corner. And some things have changed. The last time we were together, it was the very last day of March. 2 days have passed, and now we are in the month of April. Yeah, it's April. So look here on our date chart. I've changed it for us. It's no longer March. Now it's April. April is the fourth month of the year. April 4, fourth month. It's still 2020. The year has not changed. And we are in the second day of April. So for the date, you'd write 4/2/20 or April 2nd, 2020. Now, the last time we were together, we were on the 138th day of school, but 2 days have passed, so we need to add 2 to 138. What is 138 plus 2? 140. So I'm going to change this. We're not on the 138th day, we're on the 140th day. So I'm going to add a 4 to the tens place and a 0 to the ones place. 140, whoops, can't see that. 140 days in school. And let's put that on our hundreds grid. So here's the hundreds grid right here. And we need to add 2 more check marks to this hundreds grid. So I'm going to get out my blue marker and I'm going to add 2 more X marks to show that we've been in school for 140 days. Okay, now let's take a look at this calendar and see what's going on for the month of April. Let me move this out of the way and this out of the way, and take a look at that. Yesterday was April 1st, and look what our calendar card looks like. I'll bring it closer. You know what that shape is. That's right, it's a square. Yesterday's calendar card showed a square. Okay, let's put it back. I don't know what today's card's gonna look like. Today's the second day. Let's check it out. Oh, what shape is this? Yep, it's a triangle. So we've got a square and a triangle so far. Maybe we're just naming shapes this month. Maybe. I bet there's more. I'm actually going to give you a little hint. There is more. We're going to talk about this word for the month of April. This word says symmetrical, 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 symmetrical. Do you know what that means? Symmetry or symmetrical? It means that you can take a shape or any object and you can divide it in half, and one side will be exactly the same as the other side. They are symmetrical to each other. Sometimes we call it a mirror image. So let me show you what I mean for our calendar cards. The first day was a square. So I cut out a square. Is there a way to make this square symmetrical, or to show that it is symmetrical? Is there a line you could fold to make it in half so that one half is the same as the other half? Could you go like this? How about like that? If I fold it in half that direction and open it back up, you can see this line going down the middle of the square, and I even could draw, if you can see this, I'll trace over that line And you can see that this side of the square is the same as that side of the square. Is there a different way you could fold this? Think back to our fractions we were working with. Could you fold it this direction and open it back up? And now you have this line going across the square like that. That's another line of symmetry. The top part of the square is equal to the bottom part of the square. A square is symmetrical. You can fold it in half like this. You can fold it in half like this. Some of you were even taking your squares when we were last together and folding them in half from corner to corner. Look at that shape that you get. If you fold corner to corner or vertice to vertice, you get a triangle on the top and the same shaped triangle on the bottom. So yes, a square is a shape that has symmetry. It's symmetrical. So I'm going to write the word yes right here under the square. It might be a little hard to see, but I put the word yes. So is a triangle that looks like this symmetrical? Think to yourself, could you fold it in half and have two equal parts? What do you think, first graders? Let's try it. So here's that triangle. Could I take it and fold it in half? Maybe like that? Is this top part the same as this bottom part? No, they're not the same. Okay, well, what if I folded this over here like that? Is this part right here the same as this part up here? No, that's not symmetrical. Is there a way I could fold this in half? What about, I kind of think like I'm folding a paper airplane. What if I went like that and then opened it back up? Let's see. Aha, you can see that line going down the center of the square. Is this half the same as that half? Are they symmetrical? Symmetrical or not symmetrical? That's right. This part of the triangle is symmetrical to this part of the triangle. If I were to draw a line so you could see it better, it would look like that. Yeah, this triangle has a line of symmetry. So yes, it is symmetrical. I'm going to write the word yes down for our triangle card. All right, now I'm also going to flip over Friday's card because I'm not going to have a video for Friday. So I don't know what the shape's going to be, but here it comes. Whoa, look at that. Let me turn it all around for you. All around. Your challenge is to tell someone in your house if this shape is symmetrical. Can you fold it in half and have the two sides be exactly the same? That's my challenge for you, first graders, until we meet again at Number Corner. Bye-bye.